There are so many benefits to cranberries. It's good for your heart. It aids in digestive problems. It's good for the urinary tract. It's just a lot of things. If you Google it, you'd be really surprised. I didn't even know how many issues that cranberries can help the body with. They are a water harvested fruit, meaning they're grown in marshes. And when the berries are ripe and ready to pick, they float in the water. So here's a quick little video on how to get superfood cranberries into your diet without consuming any sugar with it. So here we go. So this is the ladidi, otherwise known as the miracle berry, and this is the thing that we need in order to make this cranberry juice taste sweet. So you want to take a half of it and pop it in your mouth, chew it, do not swallow it, roll it around in there. You can get this on the website, marcusproducts.com. Some people might need 2 halves. I require a half because I don't have that big of a sweet tooth. I took 2 halves the other day. It was really a little too sweet for my personal taste. 1 half to 2 halves, perfect. Here we got I have a bag of semi-frozen cranberries. I'm just gonna throw them in the blender like that. Get my water. I got about a 3/4 cup of cranberries in there, half cup of cranberries. And I have about almost 2 cups of water. And that's it. Okay. Just blend this up really quick. As it's blending, I'm still coating my tongue with the ladidi berry. And I'm going to strain my drink because there's it's a little bit of remnants from the blender couldn't blend up from the cranberries. Personally, it doesn't bother me. I'm just showing you an option. Unbelievable. This is crazy. Okay. Down the hatch. It's so crazy. This is only the 2nd time in my life I've had cranberry juice straight without sugar, and it tastes so good. It is a serious trip. That I would suggest getting this in your child's diet. I mean, can you imagine giving your child a glass of this instead of a can of Coke or pop or chocolate milk or even almond milk? I mean, this is nothing but pure cranberries and water, and it is delicious. And it tastes really, really sweet. And I only had a half of one, so here's another idea, another tip to get you guys into being more healthy. Stay tuned. I will see you soon in the kitchen, and thank you for joining me again. Thank you. Bye.